Hello guys, and welcome to my first video on this channel, Unloadbox. So in today's video, the product which we are going to be unboxing is a microphone called Boya BY-M1 Lavalier. The microphone which I will unbox later is from a company called Boya, which is very popular for making microphones. And right now the sound which you are listening to is from the AKG earphones which comes inside the box of latest Samsung Galaxy S and Note series smartphones. I have ordered this product online, so I'm very desperate to check the quality of this microphone. And now let's get right into the unboxing. So yeah guys, it is the front zoomed in view of the box. Lavalier microphone, micro crevasse, superb sound for presentations and video recording, BY-M1, and there's also a QR code present there. And so here it is the front view, zoom out view of the box, and here on the side you can see for smartphones, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, PC, etc. BY-M1, which is the model of this microphone. And yeah, and on the side you can see Boya Pro audio series. This is the other side. This is the back side of the box. Some features and specifications are written on it, as you can see. Clip-on mic for smartphones, etc. So yeah guys, let's open the box now and see what we are getting inside the box. So let's get right into it. So first of all, here you can see a carrying case that is such a premium quality. That's a good thing. And the other thing which you're gonna find is a card written notice on it, and my camera is having problems with focusing. I don't know what's happening. I will give you a reminder that right now the audio which you're listening to is from the microphone which I'm unboxing right now, because it is a voiceover. So yeah, for smartphones, as you can stop the video and read what's written on that card. And now let's check what's inside the carrying case. Yeah, put this aside and let's check what we are getting inside the carrying case. So yeah guys, here first of all you're gonna find the microphone which has a very long wire. That's a good thing, because it's gonna help you to be as much far as possible from the camera. That's a long wire, that's a good thing. So, and now let's check what other things are present inside the box. Here you can see a plastic bag. Let's check what's inside that plastic bag. So you're gonna see a foam windscreen, a LR44 battery, a 1x4 audio jack, and a lapel clip which will help us you to attach the microphone with your clothes, t-shirt or anything. That's the clip. So, and this is, I don't know what it is. Let's put that thing aside. Sorry guys, but I forgot to take out the user manual, which was also present inside the box. I'm sorry for that. And so yeah guys, that's all for today. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter and like my Facebook page. Links are given in the description, and if you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down and subscribe to this channel. Comment down what should I improve, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.